Hello, this is product review on this item right here, Diabetic Kitchen hazelnut and coconut spread. Check this out. It has 1 net carb because of sugar alcohol. There. 1 sugar alcohol, or 1 net carb. And I'm gonna try it on camera. Put it on. I had to mix it. It was a little bit watery, just like any spread or peanut butter. You gotta mix it around to get all the water. Don't get rid of that liquid, it makes it dry. Okay, here's a taster test. I've had this for months and I haven't tasted it yet. I don't know, I was nervous. Kind of smells, well, and this is keto bread as well, so it's kind of strange. Oh, it's coming out the back. Anyways.
Get a paper towel.
It's going, it's coming out, it's pooping. Anyways, try this out. That's pretty good. In my beard. It's pretty good. Oh no, it's falling. It's falling off.
Dad, eat it quick.
It's pooping. Oh, it's good. It's good. Look at that in my beard. Wonderful. Bomb. Let me show it one more time. So I could use it as a thumbnail.